Hello, today you're looking at a Dynapower 1000 amp 50 volt rectifier brought to you by Lanco. As you can see, this is in great condition, fully tested, checked out here at our facility. This is water cooled, 1,550 pounds, overall dimensions 45 inches length, 38 inches width, 55 inches high. This is a 3-phase unit. As you can see, remote control, digital control right there. Fully programmable. Does have ramp control and amp hour. We'll get that going for you right now. As you can see, the ramp building up right now. It's a great working unit. If you're interested, feel free to give us a call at the office. Phone number is 616-887-8300 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a good day.